because we are unsure of what's gonna happen. Ano ba talaga ang meron? Si 2029. Thank you so much. Again, it's February 3. And ito na. I think we're all ready. Sino mag-ready? Ano ba yun? I believe we're now going to be joined by the cast of Only We Know about Cinema 3. There's our hashtag Only We Know. It's just a little bit. You'll be joined by the cast of Only We Know. This is our story premiere, so tomorrow for 200 cinemas nationwide. You're seeing another very, very good movie of 2025. Again, this is going to kind of change the boundaries of what we were talking about earlier, by different levels of love. Number 3, are you ready?
Here naman, 1, 'Hello,
Congratulations once again to Ma'am Chara Santos, Dino Olas, and Direk Irene Ababanyamor. We are very, very excited for the success of this movie. Congratulations to the rest of the cast as well. Former stars of the cinema, 17 those pictures. Congratulations. There you go. stars, Kuya Dong Tingdong Andes, and directed
Hello,
by
Sir
Direk
Audrey.
Irene.
Kumusta po? The prank was a success. Prank was a success. Love it.
Thank you so much again for your friends from the media. Please find your seats in the floor. Friends from the media. There you go. Okay, thank you, Paul. Please find your seats. As our movie will start. Ayan, thank you so much, friends from the media. Thank you guys so much for making we will have more opportunities again to be with our cast and have photos with them.